I'm really digging the adaptive cruise control in the Honda Accord that we're in. What it's doing, that green, it's basically telling me that's the car that it's focusing on. You'll see that there's going to be cars coming up on my left, car on my right, things like that are going to come, and it's just basically telling me it understands and it knows that there's cars around. Right now we're slowing down because there's going to be some traffic. Now by no means is this any sort of full self-driving. My hands are on the wheel, but I really like this more than the Toyota adaptive cruise control. But it's also showing me that my brakes are being applied, which is something that the Toyota does not do. So in my RAV4, if I'm set to 75 miles an hour and I slow down to 62 miles an hour, I have no way of knowing that. And sometimes you'll be going for 5 minutes and not realize that you're going slower than you want to. So seeing those brakes applied is basically a refresher or a reminder that you are slowing down. I'm really impressed with this system. I also feel that it's a little bit more responsive to pick up than the Toyota. The Toyota slows down plenty fine, but I feel like it takes an extra second or so before it starts to accelerate, and that has a few times been a nuisance where you're involved in heavy traffic and you want to get going. But I am very impressed with this system. Good job, Honda.